Ti. Nagpapahangin eh. Hi, Ti. Ano? Happy ka ba dyan? You want water, Ti? That.
Wait here.
Ginagawa mo? Of course.
Only my mom can see.
Your password?
Yep. And I can't tell anybody because I can't then allowed to touch my sister's iPad. Desk. I did so much information. For some reason. I don't know why.
Excited ka na mag-school? Pap?
What?
Excited ka na mag-school?
Yeah. If there's bullies there, I'm gonna cry.